Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can hide your following list on TikTok. Okay, first of all, let's just open our TikTok application on our phone, and then we're going to open our profile. So we can tap on this profile button, then tap on this three lines button on the top right corner of our screen, and then you're going to click on settings and privacy. And on the settings and privacy, you have to select the privacy right here. Okay, then we can scroll down until we find the following list option. Tap on this following list option. Then if you want to hide your following list, you can switch from everyone to only me. Okay, like this. Then you can read the description right here. And now my following list has been hidden because I have changed the setting, and that's how we can hide our following list on TikTok application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.